Hello guys, welcome to CivilBeast. In this video we will see the use of command MB setup for doing page setup in AutoCAD. So we will type the MB setup in the command box which is in the bottom of interface of AutoCAD. We will type here command MB setup. This has come MB setup. Then it will ask for enable paper space yes or no. Then if you want to do page setup using your layout tab, then you will type here Y, and if you want to do here in the interface, then you have to do N. So we will proceed with N. Here it is asking for inter-unit types: scientific, decimal, engineering, architectural, metric. So if you want to do your drawing by scientific or in decimal, then you can go for scientific or decimal. Engineering is for large scale drawing, which is used in engineering drawing. Architectural is for architecture, that is building plan, all this. And metric we use for meter and mm. So these two, engineering and architectural, will cover in feet, this decimal and scientific in decimals, and metric in meters and millimeters. So we will proceed with metric M. So it is asking for what? A scale factor. So we will choose a scale factor of some 100. Then it is asking for paper width. If you want to do your drawing in A1 sheet, then you have to know the length and width of the paper. If you don't know the paper width or length, then you don't have to worry. You can go to the quick access toolbar in the top left of the interface. Here is a plot option, like printer, like click on this, and here go, and you can see the paper size here. In the paper size, that is for A4, it is 210 mm into 297 mm. All the page sizes are given here. So you can note, I am doing in A1. So the dimensions will be 841 into 594. If you want to do your drawing in landscape mode, then the first dimension will be bigger and second dimension will be a smaller. So we will take the dimensions 841 as width and 594 as height. Like this, there are ISO A4, ISO A2, A1, A0, all dimensions are here. So we will go back to the command, MB setup command. A scale of 100, there is a sort, you can only type this, all this thing in which you want, in which scale you want to do. 100 means 1:100, 75 means 1:75. So I had chosen 100. Paper width 841 for A1, and what was the paper height? 594. So we will press enter. Now we are having a page area in our interface. Now we will start drawing in this area, and you can make all title blocks here and all the drawings here in this area. So we will cover how to take printout in a later video. If you like the video, like it, share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thank you for watching. Keep enjoying.